Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the amazing chapter, first differential equation, first order, first degree. Okay, see, linear differential equation. Okay, there are the two forms, general form and the Bernoulli's pattern. Okay, see the discussion. Number one here, point, this is the normal linear differential equation. dy by dx plus py is equal to q here, where p and q are the function of epsilon or constant. Okay, so first of all we have to find the integrating factor here. Okay, what is the integrating factor? That will be I dot f is called integrating factor, e to the power integral p dx. See that p and q here are called the function of epsilon and constant. If we have is respect to x, okay, if this is respect to y and this is x here, then p and q be function of y alone or constant. Okay, follow the respect to what? Respect to here. So now if is here, e to the power integral p dx, and p and q are the function of epsilon. So this is the equation number one and this is the integrating factor. Okay, number two. So multiplying by integrating factor to the equation number one. Okay, multiplying if to 1, then e to the power integral p dx, that is dy dx e to the power integral p dx py is equal to q into e to the power integral p dx. Okay, see, after that the step here, like ddx into y into integrating factor here. Okay, see that if we differentiate u into v, then you got this equation, like this is unchanged, derivative of y is here and y is unchanged, then differentiate of this factor is e to the power mx. This is the derivative of e to the power mx, and after the derivative of this, derivative of integral is called the function. Okay, integral. That's why you got p here. Okay, so that is equal to q into integral e to the power integral p dx. Again see, that is d of y into e to the power integral p dx, and that is equal to q into e to the power integral p dx, and this is dx here, integral, okay, integrate this. Okay, then we got c here. C is called the integration constant. D of something is e to the power integral p dx, and that is equal to integral q into e to the power integral p dx and dx plus c. This is the formation of unknown p and q are function of epsilon, but function are not given there, then the solution is this. Okay, now again we have to follow the 4 solution, 1 and 2, then after 4, and then after 3 is the Bernoulli's form. Okay, first solve 1 and 2 now. Okay, number 1, x cos x dy dx, x sin x plus cos x y, and this is equal to 1. Always see that the coefficient of starting here, the coefficient of dy by dx is here is 1. Okay, but see here x cos x. So first of all divided x cos x to the differential equation on both sides, then you got dy dx x sin x plus cos x by x cos x and y 1 by x cos x dy dx. Okay, divide this, then we got here tan x, divide this 1 by x here, this is by x cos x. Now I have to find the if. This is the integrating factor, that is it is by integral p dx. P means is this tan x plus 1 by x and dx. This is integral log mod sec x log mod x, and that is equal to e to the power x sec x. This is mod. Okay, and now this is, let us assume 2, multiply, this is 1, multiply by the integrating factor to 1. By if to equation 1. Then okay, there is a wrong here, e to the power x sec x, and that is equal to x sec x. Okay. Then x sec x dy dx. Okay. Tan x plus 1 by x sec x y, and this is sec square x, and you know the form, that is y into integrating factor, that is x sec x, and that is equal to sec square x. Okay, again follow the step here, x into x, y into x sec x sec square x and dx, integrating both sides, then we got the answer yx and sec x sec square x plus c is the answer. Okay, good problem. Next, see the question number 2. This is 1. See the question number 2. First of all, we always arrange this type of equation, then solve. But here, question number 2, how can I arrange this? See the procedure. If we find dy by dx, like that, dy dx, but can't separate it from this part x and y, so we reciprocal this differential equation like that, dy dx and x dx by dy, then this is tan inverse y minus x by 1 plus y square. Okay, now this is the respect to y, follow that, this is the respect to x here, but it is respect to y here. Okay, so that's why if respect to x here, then here the function is p and q, that is the function of x alone, and this is y. Okay, that's why we have to transfer this equation like tan inverse y by 1 plus y square minus x by 1 plus y square, and these part are shifted to right hand side to left hand side. Then this is the standard formulation. Okay, see. And now find the integrating factor. Therefore if is equal to e to the power integral p dx. P means here 1 by 1 plus y square, not dx, that is dy, as this is respect to y here, okay? This is dy, and this is equal to e to the power tan inverse y. And again, this is 1, and again, multiplying if to 1. Then e to the power tan inverse y dx dy x by 1 plus y square e to the power tan inverse y, this is tan inverse y by 1 plus y square, okay? Same as this is not respect to x, this is respect to y here. So x into integrating factor, that is e to the power tan inverse y. If we derivative even to verbatim, so we got this equation here, okay? This is tan inverse y by 1 plus y square, okay? Now integrating both sides, x into e to the power tan inverse y, e to the power tan inverse y by this is dy, x into e to the power, okay? So let tan inverse y as m. So dim is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square dy, okay? Now see, this is e to the power m, this is m, and dy by this dm, that is u into v, m into e to the power m dm minus derivative dash e to the power m and dm. See, x into e to the power tan inverse y is equal to m into e to the power m minus e to the power m plus c. This is the answer taken common, just tan inverse y, e to the power m means m, tan inverse y minus 1 plus c divided by this, then we got the answer, okay? Next problem, that is the Bernoulli's. Next problem, that is Bernoulli's, okay? Next problem, that is Bernoulli's. dy dx plus py is equal to qy to the power n. See, here p and q are the function of x alone, but q is related with y, so divided by y to the power n, divided by y to the power minus n, so dy dx plus p into y to the power 1 minus n, and that is equal to q, okay? So but in this differential equation, in the standard form there are y, but this is y to the power 1 minus n. Let us assume v is equal to y to the power 1 minus n. So dv dx, and that is 1 minus n y to the power minus n dy dx. So now 1 by 1 minus n, this is dv dx, and that is y to the power minus n dy dx. This is 1, this is 1, and this is 2. So from 1 and 2 we get, okay, that is equal to from this 1 minus n dv dx plus pv is equal to q. Again, arrange the linear form. This is the constant 1 minus n pn, and this is q into 1 minus n. So p and q, they are the product for 1 minus n. This is the constant. So we can say this is the first pattern we have got. Okay. So then follow the linear differential equation. This is the Bernoulli sum. So now follow the question number 3 here. Okay. Follow the question number 3. This is the Bernoulli sum. Okay. So dy dx plus x into 1 plus x 1 minus x square, and this is your y, x into root y. So that's why in the previous, means this is the question number 0.2, just we have discussed. So in the right hand side, that is y to the power n, divide this. Okay, that's why this is the coefficient again here 1. So now divide y root over y on the both side. So you got 1 by root y dy dx plus x by 1 minus x square. So this is root y and equal to x. So again, see, this is root y, but in the linear form this is y. So let us assume as a v. Okay. So now dv dx and half 2 into root over y dy dx. Okay, 2 into dv dx 1 by root y dy dx. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. So from 1 and 2 we get, okay, from 1 and 2. So see, these are these. This is 2 into dv dx. Okay, plus x minus 1 minus x square, and this is like v, and this is x. Dividing by 2, dv dx plus x by 2 into 1 minus x square, v and x by 2. Now find if, and that is equal to, it is one integral p dx. This is p dx. 2 1 minus x square, and this is x here, and dx. That is integral. Now see here, x by 2 1 minus x square. This is the difference of that. So you can add it like minus. This is 4 and this is 2. Okay, that's a minus 1 by 4 log mod 1 minus x square. Okay, and this is 1 by 4 root of 1 minus x square here. Okay, this is the technique, and similarly multiply to this equation by integrating factor, that is 4 root of 1 minus x square, that is dv dx. Okay, and also into 1 minus x square. Okay, and 4 root of 1 minus x square, a v, and x by 2 into 4 root of 1 minus x square. Okay, and now ddx of v into, that is the integrating factor, 1 minus x square, that is x by 2 into 4 root of 1 minus x square. Very easy. So dx is shifted to the right hand side and integrate, then we have got the answer. d of this means this, and let us assume 1 minus x square as z. So easily find the answer. Okay. Now next question is question number 4. See the question number 4 here. 1 plus x square are shifted to the plus x into minus tan inverse y dy dx equal to 0. 1 plus y square equal to minus e to the power minus tan inverse y dy dx. Okay, again dx dy, again dx dy, and this is similar to the question number 2 here. Okay, let's see here. 1 plus y square minus x plus e to the power minus tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square on both sides. This is x by 1 plus y square, and also e to the power minus tan inverse y by 1 plus y square here. Okay, and again dx by dy plus x into 1 by 1 plus y square equal e to the power minus tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Now if integrating factor, that is e to the power integral p dx. P means that is 1 by 1 plus y square dy, that is e to the power tan inverse y. Okay, this is 1. Multiplying by if to equation number 1, then e to the power tan inverse y dx dy plus x by 1 plus y square, and that is 1 by 1 plus y square here. Okay, again right here like d dy x into integrating factor, that is e to the power tan inverse y. Okay, and that is 1 plus 1 by y square. Okay, dy are shifted to the right hand side and integrate, and this is your answer. Tan inverse y, and this is tan inverse y plus c divided by e to the power tan inverse x, then we got 1 plus c into e to the power minus tan inverse y. This is the answer. Okay, I think all of you are better understood. This is the most amazing chapter for 11, for the 12 and VSC. Okay, and BTech. Thank you.